Hey, it is your favorite remote work enthusiast, Delilah. I am back with a hot new work from home opportunity from a company called Conduent. They are hiring United States wide, and this opportunity is very entry level friendly. If you're new to working from home or if you have little experience working at all, this is perfect. So I definitely want to share, and the pay isn't too bad either. So before I get into that info, if you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel and make sure you tap the notification bell so that you can stay up to date on the latest work from home opportunities. I post weekly work from home hot leads from companies that are hiring, as well as work from home information that I know you will love. All right, let's go ahead and jump in. All right, let's go ahead and jump in. I am at the Conduent career portal inside of the lead, and this is an opportunity for work from home customer service rep, and it's open United States wide. Now, it doesn't list the pay here, but with a little research on Glassdoor, I found that the pay is somewhere between $12 and $16 per hour. So it says, as a member of the corporate team, you'll focus on enhancing the relationship with our clients, as well provide outstanding business solution services within departments like accounting and finance, human resources, and engineering. Conduent is actively staffing all teams with roles like recovery analyst, client services specialist, and senior management consultant. At Conduent, we give our employees the opportunity to further develop their skills, their career skills, with the intention of growing them into leaders within the organization. So that's just a little brief overview of how they do things at Conduent. And so they offer benefits. They offer comprehensive and competitive benefits that reflect the value of their employees. And then they let you have a work-life balance. And then collaboration, you're going to talk to different departments and there's other opportunities. And then it says competitive salaries. They will give you additional resources to support your family, it says, additional resources to support employees with families, and then professional development opportunities. So they are the world's largest provider of diversified business process services, it says. And then it says they manage interactions with patients and the insured for a significant portion of the United States healthcare industry. So this is a full-time work from home opportunity. And it says, in this role, you're going to execute routine inbound and outbound call center activities concerning the business products and services using a standard script and an established guideline and under supervision. And then it says you're going to have to ascertain the nature of the transaction in the call and assess whether it can be handled in place or needs to be transferred or further follow-up is required. And then you're going to provide customers with appropriate standard information as requested, and then you're going to derive all necessary information from customer to the database. So you're going to update the database based on your conversations. And then it says if you think this is a good fit for you, to apply, you will email your resume to this email address. And then you can also apply here. So what I would do is I would send my resume to this email address, and then I would also apply. And that way you're kind of covering both bases since it says to email your resume in. And this just talks about how they're an equal opportunity employer. So they don't have any restrictions on who can apply, other than I do know that they do require a GED or a high school diploma. But if you don't have much experience, this could be a great foot in the door opportunity, especially since they are going to give you benefits. The pay isn't too bad, and you'll be able to build up your skills and your resume if there is a bigger work from home opportunity that you're looking into. I know a lot of times, sometimes we may not have experience, and opportunities like this are perfect to gain experience. So if this sounds like a good fit, again, email your resume and then just hit the apply now button. All right, so there you have it. That is the hot work from home opportunity from Conduent. And the pay, according to Glassdoor, is anywhere from $12 to $16 per hour. So if this sounds like a good fit for you, be sure to get your application in ASAP, and then also share this on your social media. These videos really help people find legitimate work from home opportunities. So hopefully this was helpful for you, and I will talk to you all soon. Bye. Hey, if you're still looking for work from home opportunities, then definitely head over to my website, remoteworklife.co. I've got all of the work from home jobs on my website. I have a mega list of jobs that has over 270 companies that hire remotely listed. You can search by the type of opportunity you're looking for, or you can use the preset search tabs and it'll go ahead and do the searching for you. You can also look at who's hiring currently. I have a now hiring section. I also have a work from home shop where you can pick up all of your office needs. And then if you're looking for something specific, you can go over to this drop down list, and I'm always adding specific list of jobs that you may be looking for. So there's no experience jobs, no phone jobs, night jobs, high paying jobs, all sorts of jobs. So head over to remoteworklife.co for all of your work from home needs. Talk soon.